taking Clawhammer Road up to the top to do Black Mountain Trail upper into Buckwheat Knob into Bennett Gap. So I'm gonna do those today, and yeah, see you at the top.
I was thinking about doing it, and then I saw the reroute.
I came over here to explore the shelter. It's just a little shelter, that's all you need to know. But the GoPro is going to frustrate me today. I can feel it. It already lost 2 videos yesterday. So this is kind of the congregating point. They all have these little, this is where I just came from, black, little bench with black. You can go this way to Avery, which we're going to be doing tomorrow. This is the direction I'm going now, and that's Buckwheat. And then the 4th way is Club Gap, and it says Club. And this is probably going to be the way I come up next time. All the way up Avery Creek Road, coming up here, and then down Avery that way. But for now, going Buckwheat, do this one, and then we'll get to Bennett Gap. Goes down for a little bit, and then back up just a little bit, and then pretty much down the rest of the way. Oh, that sounded real bad. So this is the 2nd peak on Buckwheat Knob. Should be pretty much downhill from here. If it isn't, I'll be very disappointed. Oh no. Oh, I did not think that was rollable. This is kinda chunky. I'll be okay. Just go slow. And that is why I'm going slower than I usually do. Because that could be broken bones right there. Nice. This is definitely the least up to spec trail I've ridden so far here. That was a pretty fun section. It was definitely pretty difficult though, not gonna lie. All right, then one more up and then it goes down. This is the third and final peak of Buckwheat Knob, and this should be the last time I have to go uphill. The rest is down. Sweet. That was a big one. Sheesh, man. It flattened out and I thought I was free. That's why we wear our helmets. Oh my gosh. Frick, man. Ow, my shoulder hurts. The good news is, I think I'm okay for the most part. The bad news is, I think I'm done for now. No Bennett Gap today. I'm definitely really sore in my left shoulder. I'm feeling very rough right now and my voice sounds weird, which makes me think I may have a concussion. For now, I'm going to the bottom via Avery Creek Trail. Oh man, that was a tough crash. It came out of nowhere too. That's the worst part. I was being so careful. Because I'm by myself and I just came off an injury. I thought the trail was over because it started flattening out and I was like, oh sweet, I'm home free. And then all of a sudden, those last three drops came out of nowhere and really threw me off. I think I'm done camping for now. It's so disappointing. Somehow my bike is relatively okay, and I don't think anything's broken on me, which is probably the more important thing. Damn it! It's so frustrating. It really is so frustrating. It just hurts really bad. All right, I'm gonna turn off this GoPro and just, man.